breaking news. Chijioke Igbo, popularly known as Yanbaba comedy, has been arrested. Good riddance to bad rubbish. Enough is enough for all these things. Ono na apota wolu mmadu na egwuregwu na Facebook. Yes, ono puto na wolu mmadu na egwuregwu na Facebook. Na corrupt gali umhasi bai. Na play gali on the psychology and the emotions of people. All in the name of nonu na eme konukota prank on abiame. E watago. The girl na ebe akwa na university, whether na ife na or prank or not prank, let us also start discussing about the lessons in our pota. Now this your series of prank. It is becoming too much. It is becoming too much. Open no name all these things feel one or the horror. Netinu disclaimer. Netinu disclaimer. Ka people when I'm never look at from Ufodo na iku the ife that lady melukulu no honya gbasa never ever name. Do you know that so many men the munye now look that realtors or your girlfriends or women that from that day that girl Kusharifa, you will begin to look at them with the somehow anya. It's more like this thing and kuna ndeni name marketing na bank na hanchani ne work na kahana agba. Example of ifo or na the whole of the real estate moguls na hanchani ne CEOs na hanchani ne dineshana with Kife is load that for the madu or you know today because you are chasing clout. Yeah, in a way which was there that na nichegariana, nifeni now in your past. Nifeni now in your past. Because ono chokonu team the mother na bagaria. Iwatago obo na Yanbaba techanka bata ofisa ananya okongu dibia delisi ife di iche. Okongu dibia delisi ife di iche. Ogobuna kine represent anything and everything that is bad. Afrom ife okongu de biapulu. Acho immediately anya ni ife ndozo ni okulu. But let me mention something okulu. He even went as far as iku maka one girl bialo convince ye goje golana. Or solo the girl no the girl water. The water na ife me goes when if I no matter. Ibigidona irresponsible lifestyle. Bigido irresponsible life. Alonine na aduzi uka no Martin. No way for na why he decided Iji we choice if I no hanchani no part of business. I hope ni ye wish one such kind of life. I hope ni ye wish one such kind of life. And I hope ni ye wish you not be such kind of life. Because on Naptan and Facebook was only seek attention. All manner of things. They want to go. Nine Pia Jondo, must you bring your ajondo to the Facebook? Here you came about and the only mistake the girl who will turn a Facebook, otherwise not that no matter and therefore anything do bad. This is the generation I know the generation where if for job na duzi kama matter nine them mad. Hamas na modo perfect. We all have areas I do imperfect and a lot of things I adore proud of doing. Yes, but let it be to your conscience because you know if I had wrong, you will me. So there is no way you can bring that into Facebook to come and justify it. If I no Martin, no actually no Martin. What are you saying? What are you saying? Or if I could a lot of all these hardworking women. There are a lot of hardworking women, nona banking industry, nona manufacturing industry, nona business field, nona marketing, even in even realtors. There are a lot of them who are hardworking, who are straightforward, who are straight. But when we do all these things, we society as a or irresponsibility as no irresponsible lifestyle the same thing with university nde GK ha we je mark we pass potazie odoka ya say no mu hosi nde do hard working mgbe ha no university we pass ya all the if I graduate with this border this thing e hota go that is even neku or if society and Facebook na paint here now. Already Facebook a pentigo success or look I say na before you do successful today that you must have to commit in the matter that what has the name will hard work do behind success in the matter will Facebook make it all look I say na no na succeed in one way go no nya make it for job and society for that. So all these things are name on other fear no they paint a certain image or na nwunye na alo a realtor or if this thing how will you begin to see her? How will you see her? Or na nwunye na alo market in the bank no chi fa na eku how will you and work no no zubone ga kusere all. Whereas name will hardworking people who are working very hard and they are upright. You want to go? So this is a right action to the right direction. Good riddance to bad rubbish. Chijoke jecha bata, Yanbaba jecha bata, Nyamano the kind of content you only outside. That is why, all because of all these things, anime will chase the crowd. Because some people who wear potata can help you go can still get to Ifenebu. But breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. This is the right action to the right direction. You want to go? Because Nande real estate in a dinner the girl. Mana a real estate company with their ambassador. And the yellow hakane lana. Umweleni kolo meru na nanina in yellow hakene. Oye tu akunusi apota wulu effort on mother and success in mother. Rubbish ye or doka yasin ha work hard for it. Ejim the mother blue emotion and sentiment bata. JPAC Batakwana, no, a simple podcast, a prank, a simple RNG podcast, Can you call you anything bad in Anya? It cannot be anything bad in Anya since we already know you that you can do anything for money. So why would that podcast mean anything to you? A bad remark that didn't live on so many innocent people no ilumwa. So many innocent people no ilumwa. Omelodoka has some for them money, Gary University, Pota, degree her. Put that in flying colors na ha they till insurance before her winning with their degrees. Or if Ogosene and the realtors need and all the Kakunakahana about Ogosene and the no marketing, no for the name how Akunakahana about because so create for sure. And what do you people? What are you saying? Let us even take it that no prank or no staged call. It is not right. It is not right. Let us call evil because now if Facebook na chime na buy keta or na change rasasi benine if any anafo asialo people are beginning to see it agwa na irresponsibility wonya na akusi ogwo na Nigeria today. Let us not institutionalize alo is beginning to be institutionalized na buy if any na eme membo na eso wele eme keta ndị mmadụ na apụtazi na eme na ekwu na emezi openly ona awulo omenala asị na alo gba ahụ. Omenala. Arrest, Abulo, sentence. He has been arrested. He will definitely come out, but need a right action so that people can be able to learn. And let us hope that this one will set a information can you know. Kono yari jeshawan ifenon wo ife nkuru egwachakwa maasi nwe so fio sing if wo na nkuru kita na mu nkuru under the influence of alcohol ekpotekwa meshi niile agwango na mama ife nkuru